Himanshi from Management and Commerce Department under Faculty of Law and Governance, going to discuss a very specific topic, that is rural credit finance. In this topic, we will discuss about what is rural credit and what is its requirement for the agriculture and farmers, and then we will discuss need of rural credit, and after that sources of rural credit finance. Everyone knows that India is an agriculture based company and there are so many people who are involved in farming. So it is necessary to know that what is the need of rural credit in agriculture firm. There are three types of steps are involved which provide rural credit finance. First is land development banks. Land development banks are considered as the most specific source of finance which provide low rate of loan to the farmer so that they can effectively proceed their farming activities and purchase land and buildings in order to maintain their agriculture business. Second is commercial activities and societies. Commercial activities and societies related with the agriculture credit to provide low rate of loan so that farmers can easily repay that particular amount within 2 to 5 years of time period. Third is government policies. Again, government policies are also considered as the most prominent source of finance which farmers can utilize it in order to establish a new property, purchase a new farm and agriculture related items like tractors, fertilizers and sheeps. Fourth is rural development banks. With the help of rural development banks, most of the farmers and those persons who are interested to invest in farming can easily contact with the bank so that bank can help them to provide easily loan with a short term period of time. Fifth is development cooperative banks. The main role of development cooperative bank is to accumulate funds for short and long both period of time so that bank can effectively connect with the investors and farmers in order to proceed other farming activities. There are another particular source of like bank provide various source on a specific tenure which is involved as short term time period. In short term time period loan, farmers can purchase anything or take finance from the bank with a specific period of time less than 1 year and a specific loan for more than 1 year. Second time period is considered as medium term loan in which government provide loan amount 2 to 5 years, and if any particular situation like drought or flood, so in that situation government provides concession to the farmers 10 years so that within 10 years they can repay their credit amount. Third is long term credit. In long term credit, government provide at 5 years to 20 years time period. So in this time period, farmers and other people who are involved in the agriculture can easily repay their amount which they taken from any particular bank or any particular financial institution. That's all from my side. Thank you.